अच्छा, रिवीजन ऑफ अल्कीन्स। अच्छा, इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है क्या अल्कीन्स का? आइसोमेरिज्म, यू नो ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस सेपरेट आइसोमेरिज्म, सिस एंड ट्रांस आइसोमेरिज्म। मोस्टली अल्कीन के लिए ज्योमेट्री लिखते हैं, सिस एंड ट्रांस, सिन एंड एंटी आइसोमेरिज्म ऑलरेडी डिस्कस। Directly straight away we go for preparation methods of alkenes and properties of alkenes. And what are uses of alkenes? Very simple thing. Revision में one use mostly in GOC we discuss all the topics, but chapter wise, what are the topics are important? What are the preparation methods are important? What are given in NCERT session? That is only most important. चलो, preparation of alkene है. First method है catalytic hydrogenation of alkenes. Catalytic hydrogenation of alkynes. देखो, catalytic hydrogenation nothing but control hydrogenation is required. Alkynes to alkene only, but not alkene. I think so many times this question is asked previously, NEET examination, JEE examination. अच्छा, I think you might know Linda's catalyst and Birch reduction. Linda's catalyst में cis isomer है and Birch reduction में trans isomer. अच्छा, these are very important है, देख लीजिए. So alkynes on reduction with sodium in liquid ammonia forms trans alkene. What this is called? This is called Birch reduction. What is called Birch reduction? Birch reduction. अच्छा, we already separately discussed regarding to reagents. Birch reduction. अच्छा, controlling hydrogenation of alkynes produce alkenes. With Linda's catalyst gives cis alkene. With Birch reduction gives a trans alkene. Specific reactions for particularly for alkynes. देखो, alkyne है sodium liquid ammonia और lithium liquid ammonia, this is called Birch reduction है. Birch reduction में trans alkene बनते हैं, whereas Linda's catalyst में cis alkene बनते हैं. This first preparation is the preparation of alkenes from alkynes. First preparation, alkenes from alkynes. If anybody want to note करो. Alkyne to alkene. With Linda's catalyst, alkenes are formed. What this is called Birch reduction. I think 2019 NEET examination they asked the question Linda's catalyst. It's a reagent. Don't confuse reagent. No. What is the Linda's reagent? What is the Linda's reagent? Is nothing but अच्छा palladium PsO4 is by sir. अच्छा, Linda's catalyst में क्या होता है? ट्रांस, फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, Linda's catalyst में RC triple bond CR in the binds of control hydrogenation, palladium and BaSO4. अच्छा, cis alkene बनते हैं. ये cis alkene. अच्छा, NCERT में clearly given है when cis alkene is obtained, when trans alkene is obtained, right? Now, second one, preparation of alkenes by using dehydrohalogenation. अच्छा, dehydrohalogenation, elimination reaction. I think we discussed separately elimination reactions, sir. Elimination reaction है. अच्छा, for your kind information, elimination reaction के लिए मैंने डेल्टा यूज करना चाहिए. रूम टेम्परेचर में नहीं होता, हाई टेम्परेचर में डेल्टा यूज करना चाहिए. एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन, एलिमिनेशन में टाइप्स होता है, डिहाइड्रोहैलोजिनेशन है, डिहाइड्रेशन है. अच्छा, यू हैव टू फॉलो द टू रूल्स, stage of elimination, Hoffman elimination, but mostly you have to follow stage of elimination except E1CB. Whenever E1CB we have to follow Hoffman elimination है. Poor living group है, bulky reagent है, like bulky living group है, then only we can use Hoffman elimination. Otherwise, most of the cases we use the stage of elimination. Stage of elimination. अच्छा, might be 2020 NEET examination according to this a question is asked. Stage of rule के बारे में एक one question is asked. चलो देखते हैं. Reagent dehydrohalogenation means removal of hydrogen as well as halogen. Hydrogen as well as halogen called dehydration. Of alkyl halides, elimination reaction. देखो, the reagent used in dehydration is what is reagent? अल्कालिक KOH। अच्छा कैसे एलिमिनेट करता है देखते एक बार देख लीजिए। अब इट इज अच्छा देखो CH3 CH2Br in the presence of alkalic KOH, aqueous KOH is substitution reaction है, alkalic KOH is elimination reaction। अच्छा elimination reaction एग्जांपल पर बीटा एलिमिनेशन है। चलो मैंने एक काम करूंगा, यहाँ CH3 को CH2H लिखूंगा, this function group is alpha, this is beta। अच्छा CHF elimination is example for beta elimination। So we have to eliminate hydrogen from beta carbon and halogen from alpha carbon। Dehydro means Br minus बाहर जाएंगे ऐसा, then valency to, and in order to satisfy the valency H plus को बाहर निकाल, removal of hydrogen as well as halogen is called dehydrogenation। Simply alkenes are prepared, alkenes are prepared। You have to follow the stage of rule, you have to follow the stage of rule। अच्छा चलो for example I go for another application for dehydrogenation। This simple thing is preparation of alkene। I go for another application है, देखो in this application I can go for it CH3 CH2 अच्छा CHBr अच्छा CH3 alkalic KOH, alkalic KOH again dehydrohalogenation, elimination reaction, elimination reaction में E1 E2 whatever elimination reaction में tertiary carbocations are more stable than secondary than primary। but E1 के लिए anti periplanar, but इसमें anti periplanar नहीं होता है, इसमें it is a E1 mechanism। E2 mechanism में anti periplanar condition है। We discussed one video, we can see, you can watch that video, elimination reaction। Now यहाँ क्या करना, according to stage of rule, this is alpha carbon है, this is beta carbon है, this is beta carbon। Where beta carbon less number of hydrogen you have to eliminate है। So the stable alkene is formed is nothing but CH3 CH double bond CH3। अच्छा 2-butene is a major compound, 2-butene is a major compound, 2-butene is a major compound। चलो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, in case of dehydrohalogenation also, dehydration also, preparation of alkenes। These are example for elimination reaction। Mostly preparation of alkenes are, most of the reactions are elimination reactions, either geminal dihalides or viginal dihalides। This is nothing but dehydration reaction, dehalogenation reactions। Next, from dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide, already we discussed what are reagents and dehydrohalogenation। अच्छा alkalic KOH is called dehydrohalogenating reagent। अच्छा not only this, we can use sodamide also, because strong base na, we can also use sodamide, NaNH, dehydrohalogenating agent। Sodamide also we can use, strong dehydrohalogenating agent when compared to alkalic KOH। अच्छा देखो एलिमिनेशन, अच्छा ये रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड हैलोजन एटम इज बाहर है। dehydro, hydrogen is eliminated in the form of water है, halogen is eliminated in the form of halide है, dehydrohalogenating। अच्छा this is general है, we already discussed simple mechanism। देखो simple mechanism। अच्छा यहाँ से है, अच्छा अल्फा बीटा देखो according to stage of rule है। अच्छा ये अल्फा कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन, यहाँ बाहर आएंगे nothing but alkene, dehydrohalogenation reactions, dehydrohalogenation reaction। चलो अच्छा isopropyl iodide, isopropyl iodide। अच्छा यहाँ भी देखो, अच्छा यहाँ CH3 होना चाहिए, करेक्ट, यहाँ CH3 होना चाहिए, isopropyl। अच्छा ये अल्फा ये बीटा, अच्छा anywhere this is also beta। number of molecular products are is equal to number of beta hydrogens। different number of beta hydrogen, different products are found, but major compound is according to stage। ये क्या होना क्या है, any beta carbon यहाँ remove आएगा, इस beta carbon से same number of hydrogens। अच्छा corresponding alkenes are See, NCERT textbook में ज्यादा application नहीं पूछे. What we discuss in videos है, like elimination, substitution, detailed discussion done. But in NCERT textbook there is very few simple examples. Direct questions only they are asking. Don't go the report by preparing chapter wise preparation lesson programs. Just we are reminding you, revising you the entire topic. That's all. The no new topics are there. All topics are already been discussed. You have to follow sage of rule. आप देख लीजिए एक क्या बताओ, ये अल्फा कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन है. We have to eliminate hydrogen from beta where less number of hydrogen. It's nothing but according to sage of rule. According to sage. Already we discussed, I think you might know, in alkane chapter में Clemmensen reduction में and Wolff-Kishner reduction में, Wolff-Kishner reduction base are used. So base sensitive reaction, Wolff-Kishner reduction, whereas Clemmensen reduction is a acid sensitive reaction. Acha, two beta carbon are two different products are formed, but out of this, which alkene is most stable based on hyperconjugation? You have to write the two products formula, and out of these two products, which is the most stable according to hyperconjugation? According to hyperconjugation, देखो. So 2-butene में according to hyperconjugation check करो. According to hyperconjugation, यहाँ function group है alpha carbon है, यहाँ alpha carbon है. There are 6 alpha hydrogens are. अच्छा ये function group है, एक ही alpha carbon है, 2 alpha hydrogens are. Which is the most stable according to this hyperconjugation? This alkene is most stable. According to hyperconjugation, we decide which alkene found is most stable. Suppose you are confusion है, you can make all possible alkenes. Among possible alkene, which is the most stable according to hyperconjugation, that is the major compound. That's it. Achha, which elimination reaction will be dehydrohalogenation? Removal of hydrogen as well as halogen is called dehydrohalogenation. अच्छा, even elimination, this example for even elimination. E2 elimination के लिए condition है, मैंने बताया E2 elimination के लिए anti-periplanar होना चाहिए. Living group and the hydrogen should be anti-periplanar. Means 180 degrees में होना चाहिए total. That is E2. This is even mechanism. Sage of rule follow, not Hoffman elimination. Hoffman elimination is a major compound is second one. Whenever using Hoffman elimination, poor living group, but Br is not a poor living group. Easily living group only, Br I accept. In case of fluorine is given, then major compound is B. Fluorine here instead of fluorine, fluorine is given. Then major compound this one. This is a major compound. Then that it follows what? Hoffman elimination. Hoffman elimination में carbanion form. Whereas Sage of elimination में carbanion is formed. This is a major difference between Hoffman elimination and Sage of elimination. Achha, not much matter is not given in NCERT textbook regarding to this. Achha, what is Sage of rule? 2020 NEET का question है. What is Sage of rule? Achha, which of the following alkene is the most stable? Means highly substituted alkenes are most stable. It is based on hyperconjugation. Highly substituted में more number of alpha CH, less substituted में less number of alpha CH. That's why highly substituted alkenes are more stable. अच्छा, this is only a best example. अच्छा देखो ये कैसा होता है? ये कैसा होता है? RCH double bond CHR. अच्छा ये कैसा होगा? RCH double bond CH. Here highly substituted when compared to this. Here only one substitution. Highly substituted alkenes are most according to the stage. Achha, this is the most stable according to this. There is only one alkyl group is substituted, but two alkyl groups are substituted. This is the most stable according to this. Highly substituted alkenes are most. Achha, for your kind of information, heat of hydrogenation is inversely proportional to stability of the alkene. Previously also asked a question. Heat of hydrogenation. Heat of hydrogenation. Inversely proportional to stability of the alkene. Achha, highly substituted alkenes are more stable, but less will be the heat of hydrogenation. The stable alkene required more hydrogen in order to get the stability. As a previously so many times questions are asked, you can check the previous class the APMT question है, previous class का NEET का question. Ethyl chloride on dehydrogenation gives ethene. Ethene. अच्छा डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है ये वाला, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है CH2H CH2Cl alkalic OH dehydrogen removal of this one, this nothing but alkene. Alkene is ethene is formed. Reagent is alkalic OH formed, sodium or potassium or अच्छा reagent used in dehydrohalogenation. Alkalic OH or sodium is और इवले కాబట్టి alkalic OH. अच्छा dehalogenation के लिए जिंक, only halogen के लिए जिंक. From geminal dihalase, vaginal dihalase, you remove only halogen. That is also one of the preparation methods of alkene. अच्छा अब देखो dehalogenation of vaginal dihalase. Dehalogenation of vaginal dihalase means का मतलब क्या है? vaginal का क्या है? अच्छा देखो vaginal क्या है? CH2Br CH2Br. Adjacent carbon में halogen atoms है. vaginal है. अच्छा सेम कार्बन में halogen atom है. geminal है. अच्छा इकड़ा instead of alkalic OH हाइपो पर जिंक है. alkalic zinc है. alkalic zinc है. Is a dehalogenating, removal of halogen only. Now again alkenes are formed. अच्छा NCERT textbook they are given very few examples हैं dehalogenation के लिए. geminal भी है and vaginal भी. This is vaginal dihalase है. Geminal dihalase so higher alkenes are prepared. So one of the preparation methods this is not useful for students hai, because instead of studying chapter wise better you go for generalized topics, elimination reaction. But anyhow chapter wise is given, you have to go for chapter wise. देखो जिंक ना alkalic zinc acid. अच्छा removal of halogen is called dehalogenation. vaginal भी हो सकता है, geminal भी. In case of geminal higher alkenes are formed. अच्छा for example I can go for it geminal में geminal है. geminal का क्या होता है? CH3 CHBr. अच्छा suppose CHBr2 CH2. अच्छा in the presence of zinc, excess of zinc, alkalic zinc I can take. alkalic zinc I take. Removal of 2 moles of ZnBr. Removal of 2 moles of ZnBr. अच्छा higher alkynes are formed. अच्छा if you want to prepare higher alkenes है, go for geminal dihalase. Simple alkene के लिए vaginal dihalase. Nothing but both are example for dehalogenation reactions. Dehalogenation reaction. देखो एक एग्जांपल है. अच्छा ये जेमिनल होता है ना, सेम कार्बन में हैलोजेंस है, जेमिनल होता है. हैलोजेंस ऑन द सेम कार्बन मींस जेमिनल, जम. हैलोजेनेशन ऑन एडिशन कार्बन इज कॉल्ड vaginal dihalase. अच्छा अल्फा ओमेगा अंटा, अल्फा ओमेगा अंटा both terminal carbon में तो अल्फा ओमेगा अंटा. Of course we are not going behind this. अच्छा इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड है. इथिलीन दिस इज जेमिनल है बिकॉज़ सेम कार्बन में हैलोजन एटम्स है. vaginal dihalase है. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अल्कालिक जिंक है. अच्छा दिस इज vaginal है. दिस vaginal dihalase है. टू डिफरेंट एडिशन कार्बन में हैलोजन है. अच्छा आईयूपीएसी नेम इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड कॉमन नेम है इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड. अच्छा देखो इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड कॉमन नेम है, ये इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड है. इथिलीडिन ये इथिलीन डिफरेंस है. जेमिनल के लिए इथिलीडिन, प्रोपिलीडिन, ब्यूटिलिडिन. अच्छा ये देखो एग्जांपल है. रिमूवल ऑफ Br, ओनली हैलोजन. अच्छा प्रोपिलिन 1,2 विजिनल डायहाइड्स, जेमिनल डायहाइड्स भी हम लिख सकते हैं। अच्छा, रिमूवल ऑफ ओनली हैलोजन, ZnCl. These are examples for dehalogenation reaction, I think, which are given in NCERT edition. All are given in NCERT edition. Now, dehydration of alcohols. अच्छा, for your kind of information, dehydration of alcohols also example for CHF elimination. But dehydrating reagents क्या है? अच्छा, dehydrating reagent. Can you tell what is dehydrating reagent है? हाँ, can you tell concentrated सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, अच्छा अल्यूमिना, अच्छा H3PO4, अच्छा P4O10, etc. All these are anhydrous ZnCl2. All these are example for dehydrating agents. अच्छा, organic chemistry में any reagents are there asking ना, if these reagents are given, it is meant for dehydration of the compound. Dehydration. अच्छा, dehydration में 2 है, इंट्रामोलिकुलर डिहाइड्रेशन में अल्कीन है, तो देखो इंट्रामोलिकुलर डिहाइड्रेशन है, अल्कीन सर मेजर कंपाउंड है। अच्छा, इंटरमोलिकुलर में ईथर सर मेन कंपाउंड, इंट्रामोलिकुलर में अल्कीन सर मेजर कंपाउंड है, इंटरमोलिकुलर में ईथर सर मेजर कंपाउंड। I'll tell you how, right? चलो चलेगा। अच्छा, इंट्रामोलिकुलर में अल्कीन्स है, इंटरमोलिकुलर में ईथर्स है। वेरी सिंपल फंडा, गो फॉर इट। अच्छा, इथाइल अल्कोहल I will take इथाइल अल्कोहल। अच्छा, just like previous elimination reaction, suppose I can use at about 170 degrees. हाई टेम्परेचर में इंट्रा होता है, लो टेम्परेचर में इंटर होता है। अच्छा, रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होने ना। अच्छा, मैकेनिज्म आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू, वी नो मैकेनिज्म सिंपल है। तो क्या है ये मीडियम है, एसिडिक मीडियम, मतलब एसिडिक मीडियम में क्या होता है। अच्छा, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में वो चीज काइंड हार्टेड है, ऑक्सीजन है, काइंड हार्टेड है, गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को H+ है। अच्छा, मैंने ऐसा लिखा CH2H, दिस इज सिंपल मैकेनिज्म है, CH2OH2+ है। यहां से रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, अब वो कार्बोकेटायन बनते हैं CH2H, CH2+ है। अच्छा, प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटायन, देयर इज नो चांस फॉर रीअरेंजमेंट, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन catalyst remains unchanged ना, रिमूवल ऑफ H+। अच्छा, रिमूवल ऑफ H+ का मतलब क्या है, रिमूवल ऑफ H+ है अल्कीन बनते हैं, अच्छा, विदाउट रेडिंग मैकेनिज्म क्या होना है। अच्छा, ये लिविंग ग्रुप है बट इजी से रिमूव नहीं होता, उसको प्रोटोनेशन करना। OH is not better living group है, but OH2+ is better living group है। So whenever alcohol ना protonated alcohols are good living groups, प्रोटोनेशन करना, रिमूव करना, at the end of the chemical reaction H+ को हटाना। So यहाँ से अल्कीन, this intramolecular within the same molecule is happening. Now I can go for intermolecular. अच्छा, this intermolecular alkene sir, I go for intramolecular. चलो, I go for intramolecular. देखो फर्स्ट स्टेप में C2H5OH। अच्छा, अगेन एसिडिक मीडियम में मैंने ले सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का मतलब एसिडिक। अच्छा, एसिडिक मीडियम में क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ से। अच्छा, वी नो मोस्ट काइंड हार्टेड इज नथिंग बट ऑक्सीजन ओनली, एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर। अच्छा, देखो C2H5OH+। अच्छा, now this molecule added to, because this temperature is at about only 140, low temperature में, high temperature में इंट्रा, low temperature में in between the two molecules of alcohol। अच्छा, एक और मॉलिक्यूल ले लिया मैंने, one more molecule है, one more molecule कैसे लिखता है मैंने, OHC2H, करेक्ट। अच्छा यार प्रोटोनेशन है सपोज ये OH प्लस ना सर OH प्लस ना है वन मोर हाइड्रोजन ना अच्छा रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ये बाहर जाएंगे ना ये बाहर जाएंगे क्या बनेगा यहाँ सर आप देख लीजिए CH3 CH2 प्लस है ना C2H5 प्लस नहीं रहा है सर now చూడండి again oxygen is more kind hearted again oxygen is more, very kind hearted way less number of electrons is electron deficiency अच्छा अब बनेगा देखो CH3 CH2 and oxygen give the electron plus by positive C2H but at the end of the chemical reaction catalyst remains unchanged होना चाहिए मतलब H प्लस होना चाहिए अच्छा H प्लस कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने H प्लस मींस H प्लस इधर बन गए अच्छा डोंट फॉरगेट दिस रिएक्शन इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर इंटरनल लो टेंपरेचर में ई तरह हाई टेंपरेचर में डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ वेरी 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 इंटरेस्टिंग है दे विल आस्क द क्वेश्चंस नॉट ओनली सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड अल्यूमिना आल्सो सेम रिएक्शन राइट अच्छा मैकेनिज्म इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड है जस्ट आई विल गिव द हिंट इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर అంటే ఏంటి ఇంటర్మॉलिक्यूलर जस्ट इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर and इंटर simply we write C2H5OH concentrated sulfuric acid at about 170 is alkene hai you have to follow Kirchhoff rule at about 140 nothing but ether similarly not only sulfuric acid we can use alumina instead of this reagent we can use alumina at about 350 alkene hai 250 to 260 ether है alumina लो टेंपरेचर में ether है टेंपरेचर बेस्ड में मैकेनिज्म हाई टेंपरेचर में विद इन द मॉलिक्यूल तो जरूरत एलिमिनेशन लो टेंपरेचर विद इन द मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेशन नॉट पॉसिबल at low temperature between the molecule only elimination possible that's why high temperature or no high temperature में alkene है low temperature में अच्छा dehydration of alcohol so very simple right अच्छा for your kind of information dehydration very easy in case of tertiary alcohols easy of dehydration tertiary alcohols are more easily than secondary alcohol then primary easy of dehydration if carbocation form tertiary is more easy na after OH2 plus removed which carbocation is most stable tertiary this is easy dehydration whenever four options are given each of the following undergoes dehydration very easily tertiary alcohols are undergoes dehydration अच्छा tertiary alcohol के लिए in H3PO4 is also sufficient don't take H2SO4 mild dehydrating agent also enough अच्छा that's why in alkyl halides में Lucas reagent है another genus here in case of tertiary alcohols है वो reagent भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए immediately within a fraction of second immediately the PPD will be formed देखो alumina means ये alkene का alumina high temperature अच्छा I said 350 है 350 plus 270 approximately रहता है अच्छा alkene सर अच्छा इथेनॉल अल्कोहल देखो alumina का सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है अराउंड 170 alumina is around 350 360 अच्छा लो टेंपरेचर में क्या बनेगा देखो लो टेंपरेचर में क्या होता है ईथर है हाई टेंपरेचर में अल्कीन अच्छा आइसोप्रोपेल अल्कोहल फॉलो Kirchhoff रूल है यहाँ कोई सिमेट्रिकल है कोई डिफरेंस नहीं बिकॉज़ this is also alpha this is also beta this is also beta any beta hydrogen you have to remove according to elimination propene is only mainly common there is no other option beta this is also beta no problem both betas are having same number of hydrogens. चलो propene अच्छा देखो ऐसा क्वेश्चन है, डिहाइड्रेशन है, डिहाइड्रोहाइड्रोजनेशन है, अच्छा हाइड्रोजनेशन है, डिहाइड्रोजनेशन। अच्छा रिएजेंट्स आप बताओ। अच्छा डिहाइड्रेशन के लिए कार्बन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, अच्छा कार्बन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है। अच्छा डिहाइड्रोहाइड्रोजनेशन के लिए अल्कोहलिक KOH है, हाइड्रोजनेशन के लिए अच्छा कंट्रोल हाइड्रोजनेशन होता है, लिंडास कैटलिस्ट का ब्रिज रिडक्शन है। डिहाइड्रोजनेशन के लिए अच्छा दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे मैं आस्क व्हिच आर गिवन एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक reagents का match the following, incorrect matching, correct matching, and which are the following correct options are other questions. మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన 4 మెథడ్స్ గురించి ఏ రేంజెస్ యూజ్ చేశారు ఆల్కలీ ప్రిపరేషన్। अच्छा don't what are ABC just right। अच्छा write the chemical equation for preparation of but1E। अच्छा कन्वर्शन एनसीईआरटी में कन्वर्शन दिया हम ఆల్కహాల్స్ నుంచి ఆల్కహాల్ నుంచి మనకి రావాలి ఏం రావాలి 1 బ్యూటీన్ రావాలి 1 బ్యూటీన్ రావాలి। అదే ఇంతగా 1 బ్యూటీన్ రావాలంటే మనకి ఏం రాయాలి ఇదిగోండి ఇది ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ ఇది బీటా కార్బన్, బీటా కార్బన్ నుంచి హైడ్రోజన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి। అచ్చా ప్రోటనేషన్ జరిగి OH2 ప్లస్ బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ప్రోపీన్ అడిగిన బ్యూట్1 అనేది రావాల్సింది బ్యూట్1 రావాలి అంటే మనం గెస్ చేసుకోవాలి ఏ విచ్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఐ టేక్ ఐ గెట్ బ్యూట్1। సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ తీసుకుంటే మనకు 2 బ్యూటీన్ వస్తుంది బికాజ్ 2 బ్యూటీన్ ఇస్ మోస్ట్ స్టేబుల్ when compared to 1 బ్యూటీన్। Stage of will have to follow it। अच्छा देखो 1 ब्यूटीन is a major compound but whenever carbocation is formed there is a chance for rearrangement है ना। अच्छा पॉसिबिलिटी ఉంది కానీ but it is unstable compound due to 1 whenever carbocation is formed stability 1-2 hydrogen shift होता है। अच्छा इसके लिए हमने कैसा लिखूंगा whenever carbocation is formed है। अच्छा 1-2 hydrogen shift is possible ना, 1-2 H minus shift is possible ना, because E1 mechanism में भी SN1 mechanism में भी intermediate compound is the formation of carbocation। whenever carbocation is formed there is chance for rearrangement। अच्छा rearrangement कैसा होता है सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटन होता है, मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनता है इज नॉट स्टेबल कंपाउंड है। अच्छा व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल बल्कि रिएजेंट में भी पॉसिबल राइट। अच्छा राइट द केमिकल इक्वेशन फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ 1 ब्यूटीन फ्रॉम alkyl halide। alkyl halide నుంచి 1 బ్యూటీన్ రావాలి, alkyl halide నుంచి which alkyl halide take alkyl halide అన్న ఆల్కహాల్ అన్న stage of elimination కదా। alkyl halide means dehydrogenation, alcohol means dehydration। ఇందులో ఆల్కహాల్ తీసుకున్నారు ఇప్పుడు హాలైడ్ తీసుకుంటారు అంతే కదా, డిఫరెన్స్ ఏ ఉంది। but once again this is less stable compound but1 but to but2 is the most stable compound but hypothetically yes you have to prepare it but stability order is unstable just like previous one this is also। अच्छा but1 is from viginal dihalides। how to prepare but1 in अच्छा विजिनल डायहाइड्राइड मींस लास्ट कार्बन में 2 Cl ग्रुप्स होना चाहिए, Br ग्रुप्स होना चाहिए। अल्कालिक ZN से take है removal of Br this is possible but here you are not following HF you are following this is not a dehydrogenation reactions। अच्छा reagent used in dehydration of aliphatic alcohols A and B both and अच्छा anhydrous ZN that is also correct। Dehalogenation of ditetrahalogen derivatives of alkane. ఏమి చేస్తాం? Dehalogenation అంటే alcoholic zinc only. अच्छा, just like alkanes, whether alkane है, alkene है, alkyne है, physical properties में first members are gases only. In moderate, next middle members are liquids only. Higher members are solids. If any homologous series है, alkane, alkene, alkyne, anyone you will take this is physical properties. Now, ethene is a colorless gas. Olefins and alkenes. Whereas alkanes the paraffins and little affinity is more reactive. Insoluble in water but freely soluble in non-polar solvent. Because in non-polar between similar carbon atom, carbon के बीच में bond होता है non-polar. Carbon hydrogen also mostly non-polar होता है. Because similar EN value. Difference EN value is a polar molecule. Similar EN value is a non-polar. Non-polar molecule soluble in non-polar solvents. Until unless these are not having any hydrogen. Mostly organic compounds are covalent. Covalent compounds are generally soluble in non-polar solvents. If covalent compound having hydrogen bonding, those are soluble in water. These are exceptions. Just like alkane here also, if strength chain molecular weight increases, its boiling point increases. Side chain increases, more van der Waals forces are. In order to break, we required more temperature. Number of branches increases, is boiling point decreases. Boiling point is solubility inversely proportional always. Acha, boiling point is inversely proportional to solubility. Acha, lower members are easily soluble when compared to higher members. Whereas molecular weight increases, surface area increases, van der Waals forces increases, boiling point is low. Acha, branch chain compound having low boiling point. Because less surface area, less van der Waals forces है. Straight chain compound में more van der Waals forces है. It required more temperature. अच्छा, chemical properties of alkene very important है. अच्छा, addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel, catalyst, Sabatier-Sanderson reduction. Alkene to alkane. This is example for electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition. Addition of dihydrogen gas with alkene depends on finely divided nickel. Form alkene. Of course, alkyne also converting to alkane by means of the Sabatier-Sanderson reduction. Alkene chapter already we discussed this. Alkene depends on nickel. And 1 pi bond है 1 mole of H2 required. 2 pi bonds है 2 moles of H2 required. 3 pi bonds है 3 moles of H2 required. With the hydrogenation reaction, I said now. Stability of alkene inversely proportional to hydrogenation reaction. More stable is less hydrogenation. Actually, less stable is more hydrogenation. And this is what they call as Sabatier-Sanderson reduction. Addition of halogen. Actually, this is very important. Addition of halogen है bromine है. Actually, I think you might remember this is addition of Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Is an example for anti-addition. Is an example for anti-addition. Suppose ऐसा दिया compound आपको cyclic compound दिया addition of Br2 in the presence of CCl4. In the presence of CCl4 अब कैसे ऐड करना? एक Br ऊपर एक Br नीचे anti-addition होना चाहिए. Alicyclic compound के लिए very difficult to add. Cyclic compound के लिए हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. एक Br यहाँ लिखूंगा एक Br ऐसा लिखूंगा. It's called anti-addition है, very important है anti-addition है. Br2 CCl4 is example for anti-addition. अच्छा, Br2 CCl4, Br2 water also there. Synergism దీని కొన్నది Br2 CCl4 కొన్నది. Synergism is different. KMnO4 is synergism. Diboron is hydroboration is synergism. That is different. But here Br2 CCl4 is always anti-addition. As a cyclic compound, we clarity of anti-addition. Suppose నేను ఇలా ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి CH2 double bond CH2 Br2CCl4. Test for unsaturation also. This is a bromine water is a reddish brown color, decolorized. If bromine water decolorized, test for unsaturation, which is also used for test for unsaturation. Acha, we don't write like this time. Acha, very rare cases we are writing like this. You write H2Br. Unable to recognize, but cyclic compound can easily can write. This electrophilic addition है. अच्छा देखो टेस्ट फॉर अनसैचुरेशन है बोला देखो. इस टेस्ट फॉर अनसैचुरेशन है. डीकलर देते हैं अनसैचुरेशन. डीकलर का बोलते हैं सैचुरेशन. टेस्ट फॉर base reagent also test for unsaturation. This also test for unsaturation. अच्छा सीरियस. अच्छा साइक्लिक कंपाउंड के लिए भी क्लियर है एंटी एडिशन है, बट ओपन चेन कंपाउंड के लिए इज नॉट वेरी क्लियर है. अच्छा डोंट बॉदर अबाउट एलिसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. अच्छा हाइड्रोजनेशन ओनली ना रिक्वायर्ड है. alkene to alkane కావాలంటే hydrogenation required. अच्छा reagent is nothing but allowed. Hydrogenation means any reagent, any catalyst you can use. Hybridization of alkene changes sp2 sp3. Correct on alkene sp2 alkane sp3. Bond length of C double bond C bond increases. Achha CC bond increases. C double bond C. Yes. Bond length of at each carbon increases from 120 to bond length is not 120. Bond angle maybe. Bond angle, not bond length. The correct option. अच्छा CC bond length, not C double bond C. Alkane में कहाँ होता है C double bond C? C double bond C converted into C double bond C. C double bond C converted into C single bond C, but not double bond. अच्छा bond length डिग्रीज में नहीं होता है, bond angle होता है. अच्छा this is very important है. Markovnikov rule है, anti-Markovnikov. Markovnikov rule है, anti-Markovnikov. अच्छा देखो कैसा है Markovnikov rule है, anti-Markovnikov. अच्छा already Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule है, we discussed है. Markovnikov rule है, anti-Markovnikov. अच्छा what do you mean by Markovnikov rule है? Negative part of the reagent is added to double bond where less number of atoms. For unsymmetrical alkene, symmetric के लिए कहाँ भी ऐड करो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. एग्जाम्पल पर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन. देखो एग्जाम्पल फॉर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन. Two carbon anywhere you can add halogen, anywhere you can add halogen. Doesn't go with it. But unsymmetrical के लिए ना प्रॉब्लम. देखो सिमेट्रिकल alkene की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सिमेट्रिकल के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Anywhere you have to add it, no problem. Example for electrophilic addition. This example for electrophilic addition. Actually, anywhere you can add, no problem. Is an example for what? Electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition. Because acid से add कर रहा है ना acidic medium में, so electrophilic addition. अच्छा ACN add कर रहा है nucleophilic addition. Weak acid add कर रहा है nucleophilic. Strong acid add कर रहा है electrophilic. अच्छा देखो see this is symmetrical alkene. Any carbon you can add Br, no problem, not an issue. Any carbon you can add. That's why they have never asked a symmetrical alkene, they will ask unsymmetrical alkene. अच्छा order of reactivity of HI is which is more order है HI, तो more bond length ना reactivity ज्यादा है. अच्छा HI is greater than देखो HI is greater than HBr greater than HCl. HF का bond is system में more है, but HI is means the order of reactivity अधिकते ही लगता है. Markovnikov rule और same order. Next unsymmetrical. Now you have to follow the Markovnikov. अच्छा what is meant by Markovnikov rule है? Negative part of the reagent. Unsymmetrical alkene है. देखो negative part of the reagent कहाँ negative part है? ये वाला. Negative part of the reagent added to double bond or triple bond carbon atom where less number of hydrogen, where less number of hydrogen. Markovnikov rule में tertiary and primary secondary alkylides are more favorable. Anti-Markovnikov rule में primary alkylides are major compound. Markovnikov rule anti. Markovnikov rule में an intermediate compound is formation of carbocation. Whenever carbocation there is transfer rearrangement. अच्छा, separately we discussed the Markovnikov and anti-molecular naming reactions also. Negative part of the reagent design. अच्छा, you want mechanism? I will tell you simple mechanism. चलो, I'll tell you simple mechanism. CH3 CH double bond CH. अच्छा, example for electrophilic addition अगर electrophilic addition అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ H+ రాస్తాను acidic medium first step. अच्छा, if suppose ఈ pi electron cloud అనేది నేను ఇలా రాస్తాను 1 2 3 రాస్తాను. अच्छा, one more chance answer will take two chances, two paths. First path lo where more electronegative first carbon, pi electron cloud migrated to first carbon. So H+ second attack kavali where electron density is more. So what is the compound formed over here? CH3 CH+ CH H+ second attack. And the first step lo manaki secondary carbocation is formed. First step లో secondary carbocation is formed. అంటే సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో చూద్దాం. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు अच्छा H+ వేర్ కెన్ అటాక్ సెకండ్ కార్బన్, వేర్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇస్ రిమూవ్డ్ దేర్ అటాక్, मतलब CH3 CH2 CH2+. अच्छा देखो ये प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटन. अच्छा which is the most stable according to this? Secondary carbocation. So secondary carbocation shall I write like this: CH3 CH+ CH3. Now next step में either Br- or I- X- attack at the center where electron density less. अच्छा CH3 CH Br CH directly. अच्छा beware of carbocation form where carbocation is formed. Okay, so this is mechanism. अच्छा negative, for example HBr रास्ता directly रास्ता नहीं, negative part of the reagent added to double bond where less number of hydrogen is most according to Markovnikov rule, right? Suppose I go for one more application for you. अच्छा CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH. Suppose addition of HBr इच्छानु. First step lo formation of carbocation. अच्छा first step చెప్పండి నాకు. अच्छा I go for 1 2 only two chance, either first carbon మీద ప్లస్ రావాలి, సెకండ్ మీద ప్లస్ రావాలి. which is most stable? సెకండ్ మీద ప్లస్ రావడం మోస్ట్ స్టేబుల్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో రాసుకుంటాను నేను ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ ఇలా రాసుకుంటా ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. But for our kind information, this secondary carbocation also less when compared to tertiary. But here is a chance for rearrangement only. 1 to hydrogen shift with the chance है ना. Whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement only. मतलब मैंने क्या लिखूंगा यहाँ 1 to hydrogen shift लिखूंगा. अच्छा 1 to hydrogen shift लिखूंगा. H मैंने सटिल पोते हैं अपने tertiary carbocation form. Now Br minus H చేస్తే ఎక్కడ అటాక్ అవ్వాలి? अच्छा ఇక్కడ ఇలాంటి మార్కోనికోవ్ రూల్ గాని ఇలాంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తే రింగ్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే 1 to హైడ్రోజన్ గాని 1 to మిథైల్ గాని 1 to ఇథైల్ గాని ఏదైనా షిఫ్ట్ జరగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఎన్సిఆర్టీ ఇచ్చిన అప్లికేషన్ మాత్రం చేయండి. ఇక్కడ అప్లికేషన్ అవడానికి కొద్దిగా ఛాన్స్ ఉంది మార్కోనికోవ్. अच्छा మీరు అప్లై చేసి ఇక్కడ రూల్ అప్లై చేస్తే మీకు ఈ కాంపౌండ్ రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్. Because whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement. If there is rearrangement, more stable compounds are formed, then right. Acha, hydration of alkene also follows Markovnikov rule. But mercuration, demercuration, which are not given in our NCERT textbook, that is follows Markovnikov rule, but there is no rearrangement. But hydroboration follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Alcohol fibrillation as we discussed as Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov. Nicholas. अच्छा, ये simple mechanism है. Already we discussed this mechanism. You can skip this. देखो, but according to Markovnikov rule, when unsymmetrical alkene react with unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part of the reagent is added to the double bond pair less number of hydrogen atoms. Okay. This is nothing but Markovnikov. Reverse is anti-Markovnikov. अच्छा, Markovnikov best example addition of HBr होती, hydration of alkenes होती, mercuration demercuration, but mercuration demercuration there is no rearrangement, right? Unsymmetrical alkene, अच्छा क्या HBr ऐड कर रहा है? Generally primary, generally secondary, tertiary alkyls are major compounds. Markovnikov. Anti-Markovnikov rule, primary alkyls are major compounds. अच्छा, which is the most stable compound? Can you tell? Here two products are formed. 2 bromo, 1 bromo. Which is the major compound? 2 bromo is the major compound. अच्छा, एलांटी మీకు 1-2 shift గాని ఏ అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. Right? The secondary carbohydrate is most stable. Tertiary form of chance it. If there is any possibility, go for tertiary carbohydrate. Otherwise, there is no tertiary carbohydrate. Right? अच्छा, mechanism already discussed है. I go for next mechanism. Just we have look at the mechanism. Already I discussed the mechanism. Electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophilic addition means reaction initiated by electrophile. First step. Electrophile. Just carbocation is formed. Path 1, path 2. Both path I discussed. अच्छा, path 1 में क्या है? Path 2 में क्या है? पाथ 1 में क्या है, पाथ 2 में? अच्छा, पाथ 1 में सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटन है, पाथ 2 में प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटन है, राइट? देखो, ये बॉन्ड है इसका, प्राइमरी which is most stable है, सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटन मोस्ट। थर्ड स्टेप में क्या, Br माइनस अटैक है, where electron deficiency है। अच्छा, this is important step, second step only important step, कार्बोकेटन। Which is the most stable is secondary carbohydrate. अच्छा, ये वाला relative stability of carbohydrate है, but tertiary is most stable, then secondary, then primary, then methyl carbohydrate. You can check it. Whenever carbohydrate is formed, is there any chance for possibility for formation of tertiary? Go for it. Otherwise, like in EAS reaction also, I think the previous sections also discussed. Benzene, प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड में आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन बनता है, प्रोपाइल बेंजीन नहीं बनता है। रीजन इज मिथाइल का प्रोपाइल कार्बोकेटाइन प्राइमरी, बट आइसोप्रोपाइल कार्बोकेटाइन सेकेंडरी मोस्ट स्टेबल। आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर दैट mechanism. Benzene reacts with propyl chloride, cumene is formed, isopropyl benzene is formed, not propyl benzene. The same mechanism, carbohydrate. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation and formed faster way. Okay, step 2 into formation of production and nucleophile can attack. Last step. अच्छा, Br minus का होता है, X minus का करना होता है, attack at the center where electron deficiency. This is the mechanism. अच्छा, अब देखो, I think NCERT में क्वेश्चन है, अब देख लीजिए। X1 react with HBr to give what? अच्छा, ऑप्शन देख रहे हैं, ट्राई करो, just 1 minute after that I will tell you. X1 react with HBr. अच्छा, X1 देख लीजिए X1 in carbocation only formed. Which carbocation is formed? Secondary carbocation. So 2 bromo exercise. अच्छा which are given NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन है. During the hydrobromination of unsymmetrical alkene by means of peroxides అయితే మనకి యాంటీ మార్కానిక్. నెక్స్ట్ we are going to discuss యాంటీ మార్కానిక్ ఆఫ్ free radical method. Marconic of electrophilic addition. Anti marconic of whenever in the presence of light peroxides generation of free radicals. Anti marconic of very safe है. There is no rearrangement. Always primary alkyls are major compounds. अच्छा addition reactions. Free radical addition. Electrophilic addition, free radical addition. Marconic electrophilic है, anti marconic free radical addition. अच्छा एंटी मार्कनिक का रूल क्या है? रिवर्स है. व्हाट इज रूल है? रिवर्स है. नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द reagent is added to double bond or triple bond carbon pair more number of hydrogens. Marconic of less number of hydrogens, here more number of hydrogens. This is called anti marconic. इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आपको, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, because there is no rearrangement reactions. Carbocation only rearrangement. Free radical के लिए no rearrangement reactions. But anti marconic का rule applicable to only HBr है. Only HBr है. अच्छा देखो नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द reagent added to less number అనేది करेक्ट కాదు. more number का ऐड हुआ. देखो 2 ब्रोमो इज माइनर कंपाउंड. अच्छा मेजर कंपाउंड ये वाला मेजर कंपाउंड ये प्राइमरी अल्काइल एज मेजर कंपाउंड. अच्छा देखो यहाँ इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ पेरोक्साइड ना. अच्छा पेरोक्साइड मींस सपोज आई गो फॉर ROOR बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड यानी पेरोक्साइड है. अच्छा होमोलिटिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ UV लाइट सनलाइट होमोलिटिक बॉन्ड फ्री रेडिकल इज फॉर्med. अच्छा this free radical have sufficient energy to break HBr molecule. अच्छा बॉन्डिंग अंदर to break HBr molecule. अच्छा देखो ऐसा बॉन्ड ऐसा होता है ROH and Br free radical बनते हैं. But the free radical formed is not sufficient energy to break HF molecule HCl. अच्छा for example this free radical है generated है HF है HCl के लिए. This energy is not sufficient to break in order to get free radicals of fluoride and chlorine. This energy is not sufficient. हमारे doubt हुआ सर हमारे HI की sufficient होगा reversible reaction. That's why anti-Marconic rule applicable to only HBr, addition of HBr. Suppose in the presence of peroxide ఇచ్చి నేను ఇక్కడ HCl ఇస్తే Marconic rule follow అవుతుంది, anti-Marconic follow అవుతుంది. Anti-Marconic అంటే ఓన్లీ HBr ప్లేస్ లో మీకు పెరాక్సైడ్ పెట్టి ఏది ఇచ్చినా అది యాంటీ-మార్కానిక్ రూల్ కాదు. యాంటీ-మార్కానిక్ రూల్ is nothing but applicable to only HBr because the free radical generated is sufficient energy to generate Br free radical. But this is not sufficient energy to generate fluorine free radical and chlorine free radical. Iodine के लिए okay, but iodine is reversible reactions. So anti-Marconic rule applicable to only here there is no rearrangement. Primary alkyl ions are major. Very simple funda. Example for free radical addition. अच्छा mechanism not required. Directly have to write according to anti-Marconic negative part of reagent is added to more number of atoms. अच्छा बेंजाइल free radical बनता है. I go for simple or they are going for general examples. Benzyl free radical बनता है because NCERT में दिया है. which is given NCERT benzyl. That's why they given benzyl. अच्छा free radical बनता है. ये देखो ये free radical बनता है benzyl. Now this is sufficient energy to break HBr molecule into Br free radical, right? अच्छा free radical है, अब देखिए फिनाइल free radical है, which is sufficient energy to break HBr bonds. But HCF के लिए not sufficient energy, HCl के लिए not sufficient energy, but HI के लिए sufficient energy but reversible reaction. This is only you remember this in this mechanism. Rest is the same. This point only they will ask. If suppose they want to ask any twisting question, है ये वाला है twisting question. Now why is not applicable to HCl means the free radical generated is not sufficient energy to generate Cl free radical. अच्छा बॉन्ड दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड, राइट? अच्छा which are given NCERT textbook mechanism, this is mechanism. अच्छा steps 2 में क्या है? Generation of primary free radical है second, which is most stable. Secondary free radical is most stable. देखो two possibilities है, path 1 path 1. अच्छा Br अगर तो फर्स्ट कार्बन में अटैक करते सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल. अच्छा Br अगर का सेकंड कार्बन में अटैक करते प्राइमरी फ्री रेडिकल. Primary free radical, which is most stable, is secondary stable. That's why negative part of the reagent added to double bond where more number of hydrogen is most stable. This reverse of Markovnik also, anti-Markovnik. And the secondary free radical is more stable than primary free radical. And last step, you know that. Again, we added HBr. Again, you added HBr. Where H is added over here. Br radical is again regenerated. So, itna mechanism not required. The simple thing you have to read, right? But which are given NCERT textbook, I am explaining. Anti-Markovnikov rules are only applicable to HBr. Only applicable to HBr, not applicable to unsymmetrical. And Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule are only applicable for unsymmetrical. Symmetrically, nahi. Any side you can add it, no problem. Can you tell? Parash effect and peroxide effect, anti-Markovnikov. Anti-Markovnikov. After 4 X3 pent2 but2 and unsymmetrical alkene kada. Anti-Markovnikov rule gani Markovnikov applicable to unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical. Symmetrical area not applicable. Anywhere you can use it. Symmetrical. Any side is same number of particles. अच्छा देखो peroxide दिया HCl दिया. Is possible peroxide HCl? Then you follow Markovnikov rule. अच्छा Markovnikov rule क्या major compound है? Second, we go Markovnikov rule में secondary and tertiary alkyls are more powerful. Anti-Markovnikov rule primary and most stable. अच्छा एडिशन ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है. तो दिल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, कौन सा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, दोनों वी कैन डिस्कस. अच्छा दिल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, दिस इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स बोलते हैं. नथिंग बट हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स है. फॉलोज Markovnikov. अच्छा ये छोड़ दो. Just you can add H plus and OH. ये छोड़ दो. You can add H plus and OH. अच्छा सिमेट्रिकल का बट एजी साइड you can add. इथेल अल्कोहल वो भी नहीं आएंगे. इथेल अल्कोहल भी आएंगे. इथेल Markovnikov rule है. Follows Markovnikov. अच्छा इथेल अल्कोहल आएंगे. अच्छा suppose if you want mechanism I will tell you mechanism. Complete mechanism I will tell you. अच्छा देखो complete mechanism कैसा है. एक alkene लेना मैंने. अच्छा दिल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है। अच्छा दिल में क्या होता है? पानी होता है। दिल में क्या होता है? पानी होता है। आपको मालूम है सेकेंडरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट मोस्ट राइट। अच्छा शैल आई राइट सेकेंडरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट फर्स्ट? सेकेंडरी सपोज ऐसा ऐसा माइग्रेट करेगा तो ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या है? सेकेंडरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट। बट काइंड हार्टेड ऑक्सीजन है। काइंड हार्टेड ऑक्सीजन है वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन इज लेस इजीली कैन डोनेट a pair of electrons। अच्छा आपको बनेगा इस वाला CH3 CH प्लस अच्छा CH फर्स्ट एसिडिक मीडियम में फर्स्ट H प्लस है। एसिडिक फर्स्ट स्टेप में H प्लस है। सेकंड स्टेप में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है। याद किया वाटर मॉलिक्यूल। बट एट द एंड ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन कैटलिस्ट रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड ना, रिमूवल ऑफ H प्लस ना, रिमूवल ऑफ H प्लस। अच्छा क्या बनेगा देखो CH3 CHOH C। अच्छा डायरेक्ट నేను without writing mechanism then I can go for H plus and OH minus. I apply Marconi compound. Negative part of the reagent added to double bond with less number of atoms. Right? Whenever hydration of alkene is given, you have to follow the Marconi compound. Remember H plus and OH. Negative part is where it should be added. So Marconi hydration of alkene में major compounds are secondary alcohol, secondary. Anti-Marconic hydroboration. Hydroboration is example for anti-Marconic. Hydroboration primary alcohols are major. अच्छा don't be confused here. Like removal of sulfuric acid है वो है symmetrical के लिए वाला। I said unsymmetrical के लिए। देखो एक एग्जांपल है unsymmetrical का unsymmetrical। अच्छा without writing a mechanism directly देखो for H plus and OH minus है where OH added है where added है negative part of the reagent है negative part of the reagent added to double bond with less number of atoms follows Marconi rule है simple reagent used in hydration of alkene है दिल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है दिल एक्वेस का मतलब दिल है दिल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। अच्छा before coming to the oxidation है I can go for one more example है hydroboration है। अच्छा CH3 CH double bond CH2 hydroboration mode hydroboration। अच्छा hydroboration example for what? Anti-Marconic anti-Marconic rule again same we have to follow H plus and OH minus है where OH minus added negative part more number of atoms। अच्छा hydration of alkene Marconic rule hydroboration is anti-Marconic rule is a major compound is nothing but CH3 CH2 CH2OH hydroboration the major simple है। अच्छा mercuration demercuration not given in our NCERT test so we are discussing only NCERT। अच्छा for your kind of information I think you might know very well। अच्छा देखो any system है CH2 double bond system है double bond CHR system है double bond CR system है। अच्छा we discuss some some reagents over here if alkene system is like that if alkene system is like that CH2 system is like that अच्छा oxidation gives CO2 plus H2 alkene system is like that converted into RCOH if alkene system is like that converted into RC double bond। अच्छा alkene లో ఈ సిస్టమ్స్ తప్ప ఇంకే సిస్టమ్ ఉండదు కదా అంటే డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2 ఉంటుంది ఆ డబుల్ బాండ్ CHR ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇది ఎలా ఉంది RCH లాగా ఉంది అంతేనా ఈ సిస్టమ్ లాగా ఉంది అంటే ఇది యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ ఇది ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి కీటోన్ ఒక యాసిడ్ ఒక కీటోన్ ఫామ్ ఒక యాసిడ్ ఒక కీటోన్ ఫామ్ దట్స్ अच्छा अल्टीमेट चले अरेंज अच्छा एक एसिड एक अल्डिहाइड नहीं, एक एसिड बनता है, एक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, एसिड अल्डिहाइड नहीं, एसिटाल्डिहाइड नहीं, एसिटिक एसिड, एसिटिक एसिड, ए एसिड, COH is nothing but acid, एक एसिड बनते हैं। अच्छा सपोज देखो वन मोर एग्जांपल है, एक इकोसिस्टम सपोज, अच्छा ओनली वन सिस्टम, वन एग्जांपल, आई थिंक एनसीईआरटी में एक एग्जांपल दिया, दैट्स व्हाई वन सिस्टम is only given. चलो बिफोर गोइंग बेस रिएक्शन आई कैन गो फॉर वन मोर एग्जांपल, previous example. अच्छा one butene is given, then both are system is RCH system, double bonds CHR system, 2 moles of acetic acid बने, 2 moles of acetic acid बने। अच्छा only alkene is given, CO2, 2 moles of CO2, 2 moles of water। अच्छा this is very important है, base reagent, test for unsaturation। अच्छा बेस reagent है, very important है, base reagent है, hydroxylation అంటాం। hydroxylation అంటే addition of OH groups at double bond carbon, addition reaction, test for unsaturation। केम में वो पिंक कलर है, unsaturated compound with pink color decolor అయిపోతుంది, saturated के लिए there is no color change। This is called syn addition, both OH groups are added, should be added same side, syn addition। ఇంతకుముందు Br2CCl4 anti addition, this is syn addition, syn addition। अच्छा एग्जांपल देख लीजिए, देखो ये वाला मैंने क्या लिखूंगा, डाइल्यूटेड ना, मैंने जस्ट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, जस्ट ऐड OH ग्रुप्स, C1 C2 C3 C4। अच्छा C2 C3 మధ్య యాడ్ చేయండి, డబుల్ బాండ్ కార్బన్ ఎక్కడ అక్కడ OH యాడ్ చేయండి, సేమ్ సైడ్ యాడ్ చేయండి, దట్స్ ఇట్। अच्छा बेस reagent and osmium tetroxide same reaction, अच्छा बेस reagent to osmium tetroxide also same type of reactions, osmium tetroxide। second carbon third carbon దగ్గర OH hydroxylation యూజ్ చేస్తారు, hydroxylation means addition of OH groups। now Bose analysis is very simple tha, I think in NCERT they given reductive Bose analysis, the oxidative is not given, reductive Bose analysis, addition of ozone molecule to alkene form ozonide, take for example CH2 double bond CH2, अच्छा first ozonide is formed, ozonide is formed, unstable form, इसके बाद ब्रेक करना ऐसा, ये वाला एक है, ये वाला, when by using zinc and water, reductive Bose analysis, अच्छा oxidative reductive में methyl sulfide also, zinc and water also used, and dimethyl sulfide also can use, dimethyl sulfide అయితే DMSO byproduct వస్తుంది, ఇదైతే zinc oxide వస్తుంది, zinc యూజ్ చేయలేదనుకోండి H2O2 వస్తుంది, H2O2 అంటే ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఉంటుంది, ఆక్సిడేషన్ అంటే మరి యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది, ఆల్డిహైడ్ రావు, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇలా రాస్తే 2 HCHO 2 moles of formaldehyde। अच्छा Bose analysis as simple as ఈ ఏం రాయి మెకానిజం ఏం రాయకుండా ఏం రాస్తాం, మెకానిజం రాయకుండా డబుల్ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ చేసి ఈ సైడ్ ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ ఈ సైడ్ ఆక్సిజన్, HCHO ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్, अच्छा HCHO ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్, ఒకవేళ ఆక్సిడేటివ్ Bose analysis చేస్తే ఫార్మిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫార్మ్, బట్ మనకి ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఇచ్చిన మోస్ట్లీ రిడక్టివ్ Bose analysis ఇచ్చారు, జింక్ అండ్ వాటర్ అనేది, డబుల్ బాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో చెప్పుకోవడం, డబుల్ బాండ్ ఎక్కడ అక్కడ బ్రేక్ చేస్తాం, వెరీ సింపుల్ ఫండా Bose analysis। अच्छा without writing mechanism also you can write over it, अच्छा without writing mechanism, अच्छा no need to write all the things, just you can go for it, अच्छा वे double bond break करो, put oxygen SCHO no need to write all the things। Anyone, suppose not only this one, anyone is given, like CH2, double bond, CH, single bond, CH, double bond, CH. ऐसा compound दिया, कोई problem नहीं आपका. अच्छा ये काम करो आप, double bond को break करो, put oxygen over here, double bond को break करो, put oxygen over here. अच्छा what are products of form पर है? ये एक molecule of formaldehyde है, एक molecule of formaldehyde है. यहाँ देखो glycol form होता है. Any alkene is given simple method. Double bond I put break the double bond, put oxygen both side. You can write what are the products of form. अच्छा Wozniak system comfortable zone है. In NCERT textbook they given only reductive Wozniak system. They are not asking oxidative Wozniak system. But reviewing class में it's not possible to discuss all oxidative what are given in NCERT. अच्छा प्रोपीन ఇచ్చారు ఏదన్నా ఇచ్చినాము ఏం చేస్తాం మనం डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक करो अच्छा पुट ऑक्सीजन और ये ऑक्सीजन एक फॉर्मल्डिहाइड है एक एस्टल्डिहाइड होगा एक एस्टल्डिहाइड होगा एक फॉर्मल्डिहाइड होगा वेरी सिंपल फंडा अच्छा नो नीड टू राइट ऑल द स्टेप्स है अल्टीमेटली फाइनली अच्छा सपोज ऑक्सीडेटिव इज आस्क करना after this it becomes formic acid होता है if oxidative H2O2 is given oxidative acetic acid is given oxidizing agents are given formic acid होता है but ये CH bond है CH bond है ना easily break होता है acetic acid होता है but some cases में like CH3C double bond ऐसा compound बना oxidative में भी same compound because CC bond break करना मुश्किल है H2O2 is a mild oxidizing अच्छा whenever the Wozniak product में reduction product में CH bond है oxidation में acid बनता है if suppose they are providing oxidizing agents otherwise these are the ultimate compounds अच्छा in alkene and Wozniak produce both aldehyde and estrone अंटा a compound ఏదో అంటే अच्छा B2 symmetrical అంటే రెండు aldehyde వస్తాయి B2 అంటే ఒక ఫార్మాలిటీ వస్తుంది వన్ ఇన్ డబుల్ బాండ్ CH తో ఒక ఫార్మాలిటీ వస్తుంది ఎస్ట్రోన్ రాదు అచ్చా చూడండి 2 మెథైల్ 1 ఈనా 2 మెథైల్ 2 ఈనా 2 మెథైల్ 2 ఈనా అంటే అచ్చా చూడండి 2 మెథైల్ ఆల్కీన్ Wozniak అచ్చా ఒక ఎస్టాల్డిహైడ్ అంట ఒక ఎస్ట్రోన్ అంట వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ ని కట్ చేయండి ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ కట్ చేయండి రెండు జాయిన్ చేయండి ఇంతకుముందు డబుల్ బాండ్ కట్ చేసి ఆక్సిజన్ పెట్టారు ఆక్సిజన్ కట్టే డబుల్ బాండ్ పెట్టేస్తారు అంటే మనకు వచ్చి కావాల్సిన ప్రొడక్ట్ వస్తుంది CH3 CH డబుల్ బాండ్ C CH3 CH3 अच्छा numbering is given like 1 2 3 4 2 methyl 2 methyl 2 butyl 2 methyl 2 butyl अच्छा रिवर्स अच्छा ऑक्सीजन ने చేశారు రెండు జాయిన్ చేశారు ఆక్సిజన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసినప్పుడు కొంచెం డబుల్ బాండ్ పెట్టారు ఇలా అయితే డబుల్ బాండ్ కట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆక్సిజన్ సపరేట్ చేస్తారు రివర్సిబుల్ base reagent is alkaline ice cold अच्छा ये वाला क्या है पेंटास reagent ये वाला क्या है पेंटास reagent which convert primary alcohol into pentones reagent because H2O2 chapter में आता है D block elements में some of the D block metal ions are acting like a catalyst there sometime previously APM में question asked है pentones reagent क्या है अच्छा nothing but polymerization reactions are this I think very easy for you what are uses and which are given NCERT textbook only that's finished polymerization reactions like PVC polyethylene alkene undergoes polymerization by means of free radical sign देखो Polymerization, not much discussion in the polymerization over here because we have one chapter in polymerization. There we can discuss what are the complete types of polymerization, addition, condensation, everything we are going to discuss there. Simply ethene bound into polyethylene. Polyethylene है, taken n times. अच्छा ये polyethylene में PD means high density polyethylene, low density polyethylene we are discussed later. What are uses of alkenes? What are uses of alkene? Ethene or ethane both are used in the oxyethylene flame. Oxyethylene flame, which is used for cutting and welding the metal. Ethylene also uses same method. Oxyethylene flame or oxyethylene flame. Because ethene undergoes combustion gives energy is reproduced in exothermic reactions, which are used for welding purpose. अच्छा preparation of ethylene glycol allows the alkane base reagent addition of OH groups. Ethylene glycol, which is antifreeze reagents only. अच्छा ethane is a minor compound है. Preparation of alcohol है, preparation of aldehyde है, acetic acid है. Osmosis में aldehyde form and acetaldehyde होता है. Like acetic acid है, ethyl alcohol है, preparations है. Right, hydration, dehydration, sorry, hydration of alkene है. Different products may be prepared. Starting compound is ethane. अच्छा PVC, I think you know PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Ethene is also used to manufacture polythene, which is used to prepare pipes, bottles, bags, etc. Polythene bags. Ethene is used. Right. Acha, I think plant hormones also I think is studied in botany. Ethylene or ethene is a ripening of artificial ripening के लिए we can use ethylene also, calcium carbide 6 also we can use. Plant hormones I think is studied in botany. Ethene are also used as anesthetic, but nowadays they are not using this one. Mustard gas. अच्छा क्या mustard gas क्या होता है? Mustard gas क्या होता है? देखो, ethene when react with the sulfur monochloride, 2 moles है. ये mustard gas बनते हैं कैसा? Cl CH2 CH2 SCH2 CH2 ये mustard gas, which is used for preparation of mustard gas. अच्छा देखो डाइक्लोरो डाइइथाइल थायोइड, डाइक्लोरो डाइइथाइल थायोइड, nothing but mustard gas. Dichloro diethyl thiourea, nothing but mustard gas. The given compound. This is mustard gas. Dichloro, अच्छा ये को एक क्लोरो ना, डाइक्लोरो डाइइथाइल थायोइड, ऑक्सीजन की तरह सल्फ्यूरिक थायोइड. Actually, this is called polymerization. Right. This is alkene. And next class, में alkenes. अच्छा, we are not discussing much detailed explanations, but revision. अच्छा, what is your previous organic knowledge? It is sufficient. That means what I am telling you. अच्छा, don't be panic about the chapter wise. All what are we discussed in the जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में क्या डिस्कस किया वही रिपीट होगा. That's it. For our satisfaction only, I am teaching you alkene alkene subject. Otherwise, there is no need to teach alkene alkene subject. We discuss entire mechanism also.